Hi, my name is Rodney. I'm a 50-year-old man. Have always been athletic in my life, and I had an injury in March of this year. Fell from a ladder, and I injured my back, hip, middle back, and the neck, and the injury in the accident. And I've always known that chiropractors were very good and were very necessary, but I'd never been to one. And so I have had 8 adjustments here at Blvd Chiropractic, and Dr. Bobby, Dr. Paul, and Dr. Phil all have adjusted me at one time or another, and the results are incredible. Like I said, I've always been athletic. I have been a runner, and I literally have felt that I have lost 20 years of this age, of the aging of my back in just 8 adjustments. It's literally magical in my opinion, but there's much more to it than that. It's changed my life. My thought processes have cleared up. I have actually had depression in the past, and severely much more so since the accident in March. And literally everything is clearing up in my mind, in my function, in my abilities. I am literally a new man, and I attribute that to the doctors here at Blvd Chiropractic. And the office staff, top notch, absolutely top notch. This is a place of miracles, in my opinion, and I'm grateful to be a part of it. And I am grateful for Blvd Chiropractic and all the people inside this office and all the doctors here. Thank you for taking the time to hear my testimony.